mean, it really doesn't matter. It's our first game, so we're always going to treat it like that. And yeah, like I said, I'm happy I get to come back and play, and definitely going to leave it all on the field. Yeah, I mean, after just going through this whole injury, going through the ups and downs with it all, it really just, and then when I was finally cleared to play again, it just really made me realize how lucky it was to be able to play football again. Just really grateful and blessed that I do get to play football again and be part of this team as well. Yeah, I think we have a lot more weapons, definitely a lot more speed this year too as well. So, and I think the scheme we have is good. I think it fits a lot of our players really well, and I think we're going to use the up tempo to our advantage, and just really happy with how everything's come together. And I'm happy too how Coach Christensen has really simplified everything and made it a lot easier for all the players. I think it's been great. I think it's something that we started in spring, and it's something that we carried over into the fall camp. So I think every day we're getting better and better at it. So it's something that we just got to make sure we're on top of, and that's definitely my job to make sure guys are set and guys are ready to go. But I think it's going to be a huge advantage for us.
What's Kendall going to add? How do you think he's going to be used?
I think they can use him in a lot of ways. I think definitely get him in there for some plays and use him whenever we need to. So he's definitely a good athlete, and he's a good runner. So I think there's multiple ways we can use him this year.